Hi, this is Paul from Samuel Mobiles, and this is an unboxing of the Blackberry Z10. This is on the Orange network, so this has just come for me from Orange. So this is the box. There you go, nothing exciting really, so let's open it up. There's a little bit from Orange, my Orange SIM card, the actual phone. Oh, very nice. Let's just put that aside, see what we get in the box. A little bit of a top bit there. In here we have 3-pin adapter. If I can get it open. Yeah. 3-pin adapter for England. Nothing else in that little bit there. Open up this bit. We've got security stickers, a little bit of instructions, information. That's the other name for it there. STL100-2 smartphone. A little bit about Blackberry here. Basically a get start guide. Okay. Inside, yep, smartphone. Some headphones, what look okay-ish, not really a bit of me. And USB cable. So it's micro USB, and of course the battery. So there you go, LS1 battery, about the same size as an iPhone 4 battery, iPhone 4S battery that is, I would say. Yeah, very nice. So let's have a look at the actual phone. Very nice. Ooh. Yeah, everyone has been banging on about this smooth effect thing, and it does feel very nice actually. Smooth effect there. Screen's nice. Very nice. Okay, let's put the battery in. It feels like quite a strong back actually for being plasticified. No memory card. Cheeky people. Okay, just switch it on. No, we'll have to because it's a Blackberry, so it's switched on itself. So there you go, that's been my unboxing on the Blackberry Z10. Hope you like. Please thumbs up the video, and if you're not already, subscribe button's just there. I have got some cases coming for this today as well, I hope. So I will be doing reviews on a couple of cases, and I will be doing a full review of the actual phone once I've had a good play around with it. Thanks for watching, and yeah, subscribe to see lots more about the Blackberry Z10. Goodbye.